All right, so we're renting a house. You probably realized that these are all tenant insurance questions. So it's a $50,000 worth of coverage to cover the belongings. Chooses a comprehensive insurance, $200 deductible. So because we're doing tenant insurance, we're going to this table right here. We're going to 50,000, and we want comprehensive. So 50,000 comprehensive, that's the 324. So 324, you get a mark if that shows up already. You're not over the 75,000 max, so you don't have to worry about the overage. All you have to do is make sure you multiply this by 1.10. So if I see that showing up, you get a mark already. And then you multiplying them and getting that final answer, you get 356.40. You get another mark for that. Okay. Next, you're renting an apartment, and there's a whole lot more coverage that we need, 150,000. Chooses a standard coverage, $200 deductible. So we know. Hi. Just right there is fine. Got it? Is that all? Yes. Yeah, thank you, appreciate it. So we take away the 75,000. So 75,000 over, okay? So we're over by 75,000. So let's start our formula here. Insurance is, we want standard coverage. So we go all the way to 359. And we want the 450 as well because we're going over. So if you have the 359, you get a mark already. Plus 75,000 times 450 over 1,000. You get a mark for having this showing up as well. We want a $200 deductible, so that needs to show up as well. So that's 3 marks already. And here's your 4th mark is actually calculating that and getting that right. So this is 359 plus, if you do this separately, let me just get that. You get 337.50, okay, times 1.10. We add this up. That would be 696.50 times 1.10. And here it is, 766.15 is your final answer. If you've got that, you get a 1 marker there, right there. What happens if you made a mistake upstream? Well, you lose that mark that you messed up on. But then I would still give you a mark for solving it correct. Like if I can follow through your work and you get some sort of answer here, get a mark for that step. Okay? Keep going. She realizes that her premiums is quite high, so just one change she could make to lower her annual premium. You can lower the coverage amount. You can actually do that when it comes to your stuff. Okay, it's like, well, let's do less of a coverage there. You could increase the deductible. Okay, so our deductible is 200, maybe go to 500. I think that's about it right now. That's it. So you get, it's out of 8. It's out of 8. I'm gonna, hold on guys. So we'll make this 2 and 1. So give yourselves a mark out of 8 here. Just give yourselves a mark out of 8. And then the back side, I'm just going to make one up for home insurance. I didn't realize that this was all tenant insurance. So let's close this one. It's out of 8. You put the mark out of 8. And then the back side, will do a home insurance. So I'll just make a short question here. Home worth $275,000. Area 4. Standard. $500 deductible. Can you see that? 275,000, area 4, standard, $500 deductible. This is going to be worth 3 marks. Give that a try. I know I'm rushing you a bit. Maybe another minute. Some of you are looking at table. Make sure you put your distractions away. So insurance. I'm gonna go ahead, because this is home insurance, I'm gonna take away the max off of it right away. If you have the chance to do so, we know we're over, right? So now at this point, you should be able to anticipate what's gonna happen. So area 4 standard, I gotta look at my home insurance table. Area 4 standard gets me to 966. You can see that, 966, and we pay $472 for every extra $1,000 of insurance. So the 966 you must choose, that's worth 1 mark. We're paying extra, and in this case it's $472 for every $1,000. You get a mark for that, for this showing up. I don't need to multiply by 1.10 because it's a $500 deductible, so that is not required. So you're going to get the other mark just for cleaning this up. So it's 354. You add them up. That is 1320. So you get another mark for the 1320 right there. So that's where the 3 marks come from. 1, 2, 3. So just give this a mark out of 3 in the back. I'll do them separately, enter them separately. So mark out of 3 on the back. Just make sure first and last name is on there.